Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Wipro onboarding, Elite Phase 1, Phase 2, NGA training and availability check for candidate discussion mail. So some of the candidates DM me on WhatsApp that they received NGA training mail as well as availability check for candidate discussion. So it is timeline, the timeline is 4, 5 and 6 March. So this video is very important and one of the most important point. I know you are waiting from long time, but you have to apply for other opportunities as well. You can check that so many hirings are ongoing from companies. Okay, so one of the most important point, like candidate send me this type of update. We are pleased to inform that you have cleared the audit process. As next step you will undergo the next gen associate NGA training. Okay, this is one of the important training. After clearing this training there will be onboarding. Okay, it will totally depends on them because they mention that it is one of the criteria for onboarding. Okay, so they add the NGA training. So the training will be start from March 3rd. Okay, after like by NGA pre-skilling training program. I created one poll on our WhatsApp group. So like 20 candidates mentioned that they are from Elite Phase 1, Phase 2. They received NGA training, completed NGA survey already and waiting no update. Like 150 plus members are waiting for update. Okay, as well as I also created one poll that is related to availability for candidate discussion. 9 candidates received the mail, 150 candidates are waiting, only 8 candidate received NGA training mail. Basically this is related to that, like this poll is related to some of the date and this is recent poll. Okay, basically in the availability check discussion form what they mention, उन्होंने क्या मेंशन करा है, लाइक आपने NGA ट्रेनिंग का फॉर्म फिल कर दिया. ओके, आपने NGA ट्रेनिंग का फॉर्म फिल कर दिया. देन दे मेंशन दैट like Wipro availability check for candidate discussion and they mention greetings from Wipro, thank you for responding to previous survey. As a next step we would like to schedule quick discussion for you with our team. You are requested to indicate your availability by filling up below survey by Monday 4 March at 10 AM. One of the most important point, if you have any doubt you can mention. So basically आपको सर्वे आया, ठीक है, आपको सर्वे आया NGA ट्रेनिंग का, आपने उसे फिल करा, उसके बाद एक कैंडिडेट डिस्कशन है. ओके, दिस इज नॉट अ पर्टिकुलर इंटरव्यू, दिस इज जस्ट रिलेटेड टू सम डिस्कशन विथ विप्रो टीम इन विच दे मेंशन द डिटेल्स दैट इज रिलेटेड टू दिस ट्रेनिंग और अदर डिटेल्स. ओके, इट विल टोटली डिपेंड्स ऑन देम वो क्या डिटेल्स यहाँ पर मेंशन करते हैं. आपका नाम, सुपरसेट आईडी, रेज्यूमे नंबर, योर ईमेल आईडी. ओके, एंड बेसिकली उन्होंने ये बताया, विल यू इंटरेस्टेड इन टेकिंग अप अ कैंडिडेट डिस्कशन, प्लीज चूज अ सूटेबल डेट फॉर डिस्कशन, 5 March or 6 March. So basically one of the most important point, I talked to candidate and like they mentioned that brother, I received the mail. Okay, so I mentioned thank you for sharing update your phase. So he mentioned he is from like Elite Phase 2. Basically candidates are receiving the updates, they are from Elite Phase 1 as well as Phase 2. So basically Wipro onboarding process is ongoing in the form of phases and the NGA training is one of the new criteria for that. So I suggest you to attend the candidate discussion survey, candidate discussion meeting. It is very important because they will share the next steps with all of you that is related to onboarding. Okay, so like basically they are conducting all the like important updates in the form of phases. Okay, so phases वो भेज रहे हैं particular according to CandyShare. So if you not receive the updates, so if you are waiting for that, so I suggest all of you to apply for opportunity on our channel as well as आप अगर वेट कर रहे हैं तो आप अप्लाई भी कीजिए और उधर से आपको कोई रिवर्ट आ रहा है विप्रो की तरफ से तो आप उसे अटेंड भी कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो.